The Audi A7 works as an elegant as well as practical choice to the brand name's A6. Although still a standout in the appearances division, the A7 has been starting to show its age, as its current generation began manufacturing back in 2018. Nonetheless, Audi is giving the A7 a refresh for the 2024 design year to keep it competitive. They haven't launched full specifications for the 2024 A7 yet below's what we understand until now. The 2024 A7 preserves its jumping sportback, Audi peak for liftback, design but with a couple of tweaks. Especially, it gets a contemporary hexagonal pattern grille to keep the A7 in accordance with the remainder of the Audi lineup. Both the front and back bumper styles come to be a lot more angular also, offering the already good-looking A7 an extra modern look. It's not one of Audi's best sellers, yet the A7's sharp styling makes it among the German automakers' more recognizable designs. Modifications to the interior are less noticeable, with the A7 essentially retaining its cabin from 2023. It does obtain some brand new trim material options however, as well as Audi's digital cabin configurable scale collection is currently standard equipment. A dual touchscreen array complements the digital dash and operates as both the infotainment system as well as the controls for the climate control and various other interior functions. Warm seats, ambient lights, 3-zone climate control, and also a breathtaking sunroof are all conventional, in addition to tech features like wireless smart device connection as well as a mobile hotspot. Audi hasn't introduced powertrain specs for the 2024 A7 yet, however we anticipate it to preserve the engine supplied in the 2023 version. The present A7 is powered by a 3.0 liters turbocharged V6 mild hybrid establishing 335 horsepower as well as 369 pounds-to-foot of torque. Those are healthy figures to ensure, yet you'll have to upgrade to the S7 or the V8 powered RS7 if you're searching for even more efficiency. MPG scores for the 2023 A7 are 21 city, 30 highway, and also 24 integrated. We likewise anticipate the same safety as well as motorist support features from the 2023 A7 to make it right into the 2024. The current design comes standard with a head accident caution, automatic emergency braking, lane keep help, and flexible cruise control.